Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create stickers using Canva and you can start selling them. So let's get into it. Now, whenever you're designing stickers, you might be wondering on how to publish them or sell them. For that, you can use a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble. So Redbubble is a great choice for people that are looking to create stickers or any item and you want to sell it without having to, do all the complicated stuff. Find complicated items. You can just upload these stickers, designs, and then you can start selling them on Redbubble. So you can put these or create these designs using Canva, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. So we're gonna get into it now. There are two different types of ways that you can do that. First off is creating like a sticker palette where you have multiple stickers in one little frame. So this will give you like the option to cut, stickers, so you can create sticker packs or you can make individual stickers. So that is totally up to you. Now we're gonna get started on Canva. So head on over to canva.com. Canva.com is absolutely free to use and you don't have to sign up or you don't have to put a registration fee or anything like that. You just sign up with your email address, and once you have signed up with your email address, you're going to click on custom size. Then you're going to change this to inches. You're going to choose the size for your sticker. So let's say I want to make one individual sticker, and this is going to be like a 2 by 2 inch sticker. So I'm going to input 2 and 2, then press on create design. And this will open up the canvas over here. So you can see this is a rather small canvas, so I've zoomed it quite a bit. Now what you want to do is on your left you have your elements, and you're going to click on elements and you're going to search for anything that you want. So let's say I want to create a cute little sticker with a few text lines. So what I would do is, let's say I'm going to search for lion. Once I search for lion, I'm going to click on one of the graphics. Let's say I'm going to take any illustration that don't have pro on it because that's the paid version. So let's take this one. Okay, so I took this illustration over here and then I'm going to expand it like this. And once you have pressed on one of these, then a lot of other stickers will be recommended to you. You can pick from those as well. But I'm just going to use this one. And I'm going to place this at the top center like this. Move it down a little. And you see these frames when you move it around. I'm going to help you to put it exactly where you want to. I'm going to put it there. And then we're going to put some text next to this one. So then we can go over to text over here in the left corner. And then you have multiple options of different kinds of text you can use. Or you can just use the simple heading like this. Draw it here. But we're not going to use that. We're going to use some other font. Let's see, I can use this one. This one fits good with the picture. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to make it a bit more smaller. And write in roar. And I can drag it out like this. And then I can move this around, turn it around a little bit. Move this up like this. And there we go. You can also press on the text and change the text color. So we can go with this one, fits good with the color of the tiger. And then I can press on share and press on download. And then you can choose what kind of different download you want. We're gonna use PNG, and download this. There it is, it's downloading here. We can name this roar, save this. Moving on ahead, I'm going to back into the home section here. And let's say I want to make like a bunch of different stickers that are similar. So what I would do is click on custom size here. And inches again. And let's say we're also going to be 2 by 2 like here is now. And then press on create new design. And now we're going to press on elements again. And once I press on elements, I'm going to search for bird. And you can see there are multiple different birds, some with the that comes with the pro feature that costs money. I'm going to search for something like this. Then I'm going to expand it a little bit. You can add text to it, you don't have to, you can just have it as it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna name this stickers. And then I can click on add page down here. And then go ahead and add a second sticker, maybe elephant. And use maybe this one. So when you do like this, you can download all of them at once. So let's add another one, maybe this one. And then I can change the size of this one. And then you can also apply colors to the page, which each sticker that you pick, you're going to have different options. So maybe let's find some more. And now we can add different kinds. We can add, so it's like a big elephant and a small elephant. And you can build different kinds of stickers. Maybe you want to add like a sun. You can add that, put it into the sticker. And you can add text as well. Maybe we create a happy sun picture. And then we add some text. We add a heading. Sunny. And then we can go and add some more elements. Maybe some birds on this one. Maybe these ones. And then you can create whatever kind of sticker that you want to. And you have all of those stickers here. So then you can press on download and download all 4 pages. Then you can download all of the pictures together. And save. And then we have downloaded all of them. So then we can go back to Redbubble. And you can press on sell your art. And you can register to create your account on Redbubble. Then you can begin uploading your sticker designs onto their platform. And you can create so many other kinds of stickers as well. You can create one-page multiple stickers. So let's say you have like a 15 by 15 inch canvas. Then you can offer that kind of sticker to your customers. You can do a lot more. You can create different collections. You also have the option to customize a simple illustration. So, and if you have your own illustration, you can upload that and create with that. And any kind of illustration. So there's a lot of things you can do. Maybe you want a collection of food items. Then you can search for chips and put it in here. And then you can add another page with maybe ham, burgers, and add that one as well. And then you create a collection of food items. So that's what it is, guys. I hope you guys find this very helpful, and I hope that you will like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.